And now we've got a set of our DOM TIG rock sliders. These are a set of 0 degrees with top plates. These are direct frame mount. The holes are all there. The bottom holes get opened up one size to allow for the larger bolts in the bottom with the inserts. We do kick out tubes on each end from the slider to the frame plate, and that is to add some more strength all the way out to the ends of these. And you can see in our rock sliders, we talk about all the time how we radius them up here in the front end of the Tacoma to match the radius of the lower garnishment here, or the front fender. And then back here in the back of the bedside, how we radius the back corner here. Does it take more work to do this? Absolutely. We do talk about how much extra work's involved in making these rock sliders, but one of those things that we look at is, I don't care that it takes extra time. I don't care that it costs more money. I want everything to fit the vehicle like it belongs on the vehicle, like it could have possibly come like that from the factory. So with those extra little things, those extra touches and steps and things we take at our shops, just ensure that our stuff is at that top level, top tier for our products. That's what we do.